Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a cool DIY project, a mini refrigerator. That's right, we're building a small cooling box using a Peltier module, also known as a thermoelectric cooler. It's a fun and relatively straightforward project. That's perfect for anyone interested in electronics or cooling systems. So, what exactly is a Peltier module? Well, it's a solid-state device that acts as a heat pump. When you apply a DC voltage, one side gets cold and the other gets hot. This is the magic behind our mini fridge. We'll be using this principle to create a compact cooling solution. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need a styrofoam box. This will act as our insulated enclosure. A Peltier module, a heatsink for the inside of the box, and another for the outside. We'll also need a fan to help dissipate the heat from the hot side of the Peltier module. A 12-volt power supply is essential to run everything. And finally, a thermometer to monitor the temperature inside. Alright, let's get building. First, prepare the styrofoam box. This box will house the cooling components and insulate them. You can use any size styrofoam box, but a slightly larger one is easier to work with. Make sure the box is clean and dry. Next, we'll mount the Peltier module. This is a crucial step. The Peltier module sits between two heat sinks, one inside the box to cool the air inside, and one outside to dissipate the heat. Use thermal paste to ensure good contact between the Peltier module and the heat sinks. This improves heat transfer efficiency. Once the module is in place, we can attach the fan to the external heatsink. The fan is critical for removing the heat from the hot side of the Peltier module. Without proper heat dissipation, the cooling effect will be minimal. Make sure the fan is blowing air away from the heatsink. Now, we connect the power. Connect the 12-volt power supply to the Peltier module and the fan. Double-check all connections to ensure everything is secure. Safety first. Now, for the moment of truth. Place your thermometer inside the box. Turn on the power supply and watch the temperature drop. You should see the temperature decreasing fairly quickly. This shows that the Peltier module is working and effectively cooling the inside of your mini fridge. It's amazing how this small device can create a noticeable temperature difference. And there you have it, your very own DIY mini refrigerator. You can use this for storing small items, cooling drinks, or just experimenting with cooling technology. Remember to keep the box sealed to maintain the temperature. Feel free to customize your mini fridge further. Add shelves, a door, or even a digital temperature display. This project is a great way to learn about thermoelectric cooling and experiment with electronics. Remember to handle all components with care and follow all safety precautions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome DIY projects. See you in the next video.